Abby started from zero. Jeff Benson started from zero. Ray Swing started from zero. Sam Key started from zero. Forex Daddy started from zero. You want to trade Forex market, but yet you struggle with finance. You struggle with capital. Calm down. I've gotten a solution for you, and I'm not kidding at all. So this video is for you.
I started first of all as a sales boy. Where they were paying me 20k, okay, I'll use like 5k and do transports. But then, just I came into Forex 2021, and I was actually working as a gate man. What they told me was I could make money right in front of my toilet. That was mind blowing. So then this guy got money, and then I added my 5k in total, then I moved it to 240,000. Even though I later lost most of the money, I could not add zeros in back of any amount of money. That one in my mindset opened. It made me realize where I am now. Now at beast level. I kept losing money, and then I decided to just, instead of using my hard-earned money to fund and still lose, I decided to pull out of the market so as I can just save up and find something doing with myself. Until the year 2023, that was when I came back to Forex.
Wow. First, I'd like you to tell me how exactly did you move from a being a security guy to now a Forex trader, and how were you able to manage your job? Then even though it wasn't completely, I think you're paid about 2,000 naira in a month. Yes. And then how are you able to...
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain your guide, TC Trade Forex. In this video, I'm going to be telling you different ways at which you can approach market when you don't have a capital to start. If you are new to this channel, show me some love, subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of my future videos. There are two major ways to stop capital struggles in the Forex market as a beginner. Firstly, showcase your skills. Visibility provokes favor. If you can put yourself, if you know that you are good with the market analysis, there are people who are struggling. There are people who does not know how to analyze the market. There are people who does not even know where to start from. If you put your skills outside, create content, go to X, formerly known as Twitter, put your skills outside there. People will begin to resonate with you. Before you know, they will reach out to you to help. I know a mentor that started like this. So by showcasing your skills, you get attention. People come to you and they begin to invest in you. There's another person I know, Dr. Ray Swing, also started like this. He was in a group and he showcased his skills and he was helped. Showcase your skills. Let the world see your skills. You don't have a finance yet, but put your work outside there. Put your chart analysis outside there. Explain the chart. Put it outside. You can even be trading with demo accounts. Show it outside. Let people see how you are doing. Visibility provokes favor. Another way to help yourself is by getting a side job, a side hustle. Like me, I am a brand designer. I design brand identity system, and at the same time, I am a brand strategist. So if you check me out on LinkedIn as Olamide Femi Ajayi, you'll see that. So I position myself on LinkedIn as a brand designer, so you can check it out. So this helps you to have a, if you don't have a skills presently, you can work like Mira presently is working as probably a sales girl in one of the big boutique in Abuja here. So you can just position yourself in a way that you can get an income. If an income is coming in, you can have a savings. From that savings, you can have a little money to buy prop firm during their promo stage. So put yourself outside, number one. At the same time, have a side job. Have something that's giving you income. Then before you know, you can build something for yourself in Forex trading. Don't forget, capital won't just come and sit down with you and come and meet you as you are doing the chart. You go outside, put yourself outside, get capital, then come back. And one of the ways I repeat to do it is by putting yourself outside, number one. Then number two, getting a side job. Lastly, study people who have done this in the past. Abby started from zero. Jeff Benson started from zero. Ray Swing started from zero. Sam Key started from zero. Forex Daddy started from zero. All these guys started from zero. We can learn from them. If they can do it, we can also do it. They don't have two heads. If they can do it, we can also do it. If you have been watching this video till now, please do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up. Let other beginner traders also get to learn this, and at the same time subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see more of my content. To my returning viewers, I say thank you, and to my new viewers, subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, system over luck 2026 success code. Thank you.